Welcome to the kitchen. In this video we're going to be cooking hake, and that's going to be paired with a red lentil dal and zhoug. So let's get into the kitchen and let's get cooking. I've got a frying pan that's on a medium heat, gently warming, and our fish at the back here is on some kitchen roll just so that we can pat it dry. We're going to be using a piece of parchment in the frying pan, and what this does is helps prevent the fish from sticking to the pan as we're cooking. So we place our fish into the pan onto the parchment paper. And then take some oil and just gently drizzle around about a teaspoon of oil over each of the fish fillets. And after a minute or so we can see the fish starts to sizzle, it's starting to cook through, and using a fish slice we can just check that it's not sticking to the paper. It shouldn't be. And with this, we do need to be careful because the parchment paper is deceptive in a way, because you don't think it's necessarily going to get too hot, but the paper is burning hot, so be careful if you use your fingers in the pan. That's why I'm using a spoon. So we can flip the fish over. And we can flip over the second fillet as well. And we can leave that for another couple of moments, maybe a minute or two. And we'll turn them over just one more time. And now they've been in the pan for about 4 or 5 minutes. We can turn the heat off. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook through. Now plating our dish, we've got our beautiful lentil dal. So we'll put a couple of spoons of that onto the plate first. You can see it's got that beautiful bright yellow colour, which goes fantastically with a turquoise plate. Then we can get our hake fillet gently rest on top. And finally we've got our vibrant green zhoug, which we'll take a teaspoon of and place that on top of the fish. And there we've got our red lentil dal, pan-fried hake and zhoug.